Hi everyone. Welcome back to AI Finance Buddy. Are you ready to unveil the mysteries of today's mixed market? With tech stocks soaring and consumer sectors facing hurdles, there's much to explore. Welcome to AI Finance Buddy, your guide to the latest market trends and essential stock movers. Today, we'll spotlight the tech sector's shining stars, delve into the unexpected challenges for companies like Domino's Pizza, and share the bold vision of QCR Holdings CEO. We'll also reveal a transformative finance lesson that could reshape your investment mindset. Stay tuned for an inspiring success story that shows wealth is within everyone's reach, regardless of where you begin. Your financial journey begins now. Let's dive in. Chapter 1, Today's Market News. Today, the market feels mixed. Investors are balancing strong earnings against economic uncertainties. The technology sector shines, fueled by impressive performances from key players. Meanwhile, consumer discretionary faces challenges, especially in restaurants. Inflation worries and upcoming Federal Reserve meetings shape investor sentiment, creating a day of cautious optimism. Let's look at the top 3 biggest stock movers. First, QCR Holdings Incorporated is making headlines. CEO Larry H. Helling bought 1,000 shares, a sign of confidence in the company's future. This insider buying often signals growth potential. With a solid earnings call, QCR Holdings, QCRH, is a stable choice in finance. Next, Domino's Pizza, DPZ, reported earnings that beat expectations but missed on revenue and saw a rare decline in global store count. It's like a chef with a great recipe who forgets the oven: good results, but not flawless. Investors are cautious as U.S. same-store sales dipped, reflecting broader challenges in quick service dining. Finally, Roper Technologies, ROP, a diversified tech firm, exceeded earnings expectations and raised its full-year outlook, showcasing resilience. It's a well-oiled machine, running smoothly despite bumps in the road. However, its second quarter guidance fell slightly short of analyst forecasts, prompting investors to watch closely. Today's market shows tech stocks thriving while consumer sectors struggle. Keep an eye on upcoming earnings from major players like Caesars Entertainment, CZR, and Airbnb, ABNB. These reports will reveal insights into consumer behavior and economic health. Remember, knowledge is your compass in these market waters. Chapter 2, Simple Finance Terms Explained. Let's clarify some vital finance terms. Arbitrage is like walking through 2 stores, each offering the same treasure. You buy low in one, then sell high in the other. That difference is your profit, a sweet reward for your savvy. Blue chip companies are like the star player on a championship team, dependable, celebrated, always delivering. They stand tall in the market, offering stability and trust, a safe haven for your investments. The dividend growth rate is like a garden, nurtured with care. As you water it, it blossoms, yielding more flowers each season. A company that grows its dividends is like that garden, flourishing and rewarding its shareholders year after year. In the world of finance, these concepts are your guiding stars. Embrace them, and watch your wealth flourish. Chapter 3, Top Stock Pick of the Day. Today, let's explore why Sant Global Incorporated, SPGI, shines as a brilliant investment choice. SPGI stands tall in the realm of financial market data and analytics, guiding businesses toward wise financial decisions. Here are 3 compelling reasons why SPGI stands out. First, strong earnings. With a revenue per share of $45.62 and a net income per share of $12.37, SPGI is thriving. This financial strength is a beacon for investors. Second, healthy cash flow. An operating cash flow of $18.27 and free cash flow of $17.87 per share reveal SPGI's ability to generate substantial cash. This empowers them to invest in growth, settle debts, or reward shareholders. Third, low debt. A debt-to-equity ratio of 0.36 and an impressive interest coverage ratio of 19.06 show SPGI's adept management of debt, shielding them from financial storms. Yet, we must remain vigilant. SPGI operates in a landscape influenced by global challenges like trade wars and tariffs, which could sway their business. In summary, SPGI's robust financial health and strategic market position make it a wise choice for the coming year. Embrace the potential, and let your investment journey begin. Chapter 4, Core Long-Term Strategy with ETF. Picture this: you crave a slice of a vibrant fruit salad, but buying each fruit feels overwhelming. Enter ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. They allow you to invest in a whole basket of stocks at once, simplifying your journey to a diverse portfolio for lasting growth. Now, envision the MSCI World Index as a global treasure map, showcasing the finest fruit salads from 23 countries. This strategy spreads your investments, so if one fruit isn't ripe, others may flourish, enhancing your chances for steady returns over time. Exciting news from MSCI. They're harnessing artificial intelligence to help wealth managers move beyond outdated spreadsheets, streamlining investment management. This means sharper tools for tracking and analyzing investments, benefiting everyone involved. They've also launched new indexes spotlighting private companies, shedding light on these often mysterious assets. Meanwhile, the iShares Edge MSCI World Minimum Volatility ETF recently dipped by about 2.91%. This serves as a reminder that even low-risk funds can face fluctuations in a volatile market. Stay vigilant with your investments. Investing carries risks, think long-term and avoid using urgent funds. Chapter 5, Quick Financial Lesson. Smartphone banking offers incredible convenience, but safeguarding your money and data is essential. Picture yourself in a cozy coffee shop, glancing at your bank balance. You wouldn't want a stranger peering over your shoulder, would you? Start with a strong password or a biometric lock, your fingerprint or Face ID. This simple step adds vital security. Next, keep your banking app updated. Updates often contain crucial security enhancements. Be wary of public Wi-Fi. It's like leaving your front door wide open, inviting trouble. If you must connect, use a VPN to create a secure link. Enable transaction alerts. This way, you'll be instantly notified of any suspicious activity. Just as you wouldn't share your PIN, keep your banking details private. Take a moment today to review your banking app settings. Activate any security features you haven't yet. Your future self will be grateful. In this digital age, your vigilance is your greatest ally. Protect your peace of mind. Chapter 6, Real Stories of Financial Success. In the vibrant heart of Dakar, Senegal, a dedicated teacher named Fatou Diouf began her financial journey in 2015. With a modest salary, she took a bold step, investing in Senegalese treasury bonds, which promised a steady return of 6% each year. In 2018, she expanded her vision, purchasing a small rental property. Over 5 transformative years, her investments blossomed. By 2023, her initial $10,000 in bonds had grown to $13,000. Meanwhile, her rental property appreciated, adding another $50,000 to her net worth. Fatou's journey reveals the profound power of patience and strategic investing. She proves that wealth is within reach, even on a teacher's salary. Remember, it's never too late to invest. Your future self will be grateful for the choices you make today. Chapter 7, Summary and Personal Investment Strategy. Thank you for being with us today. Let's recap the key insights we shared. In today's market news, the market is mixed. The technology sector shines, while consumer discretionary faces hurdles. Key players include QCR Holdings, reflecting insider confidence, Domino's Pizza, which posted strong earnings but fell short on revenue, and Roper Technologies, which exceeded earnings yet slightly missed guidance. In simple finance terms explained, we clarified vital finance terms: arbitrage, buying low, selling high, blue chip companies, market's reliable stars, and the dividend growth rate, a measure of how well a company rewards its shareholders over time. Today's highlight is Sant Global Incorporated, SPGI. With strong earnings, solid cash flow, and low debt, it stands resilient against global challenges, making it a smart investment for the future. We discussed ETFs as a means of diversification, like a fruit salad that spreads risk across various stocks. Innovations from MSCI remind us of the importance of creativity in investment management. In our quick financial lesson, we emphasize the importance of protecting your banking information. Use strong passwords, keep apps updated, and be cautious on public Wi-Fi. Act now to enhance your security. As we conclude, I'm adding $15 to my MSCI World Index investment and trying $10 in a fractional share of our top pick, SPGI. This strategy emphasizes cautious, diversified investing. Let's debunk a common myth: a college degree isn't essential for financial success. Many, like Steve Jobs and Mark Zuckerberg, thrived without formal education. Skills and experience can be just as powerful. For your daily finance challenge, dive into real estate investing. What are the pros and cons of owning rental property? Share your thoughts below. Remember to do your own research, test strategies, and consult a financial advisor before making decisions. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated and support our channel. Join us next time as we continue to build your financial wisdom. We welcome your thoughts, questions, and topic suggestions. Thank you for watching. Your financial journey is just beginning.